Hi there. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to order both a prosthesis and a supplies product on marketplace.alldental.com. I'll show you step by step what's required for each, how to fill out patient details, view invoices, check order details, and more. Let's get started. First, head over to marketplace.alldental.com and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see a Visit Store button. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you into the main storefront where you can start shopping. Now, on this platform, we have two types of products. One is lab products, like Prosthesis, which need detailed patient information. The other is supplies, which are ready to order without any extra info. For this demo, I'm going to order one prosthesis and one supplies product, so you can clearly see how the process works for both. Let's start with the prosthesis. I'm going to the Shop by Category section and selecting Prosthesis. From the list, I'll choose Night Guard. Once I click on that, I land on the product detail page. Here, I'll select the material type, and then I'll click Add to Cart. Right after that, a pop-up appears asking for order details. You can fill them out right here if you want, but I'm going to skip this for now so I can add a supplies product too. Don't worry, it will prompt us again later during checkout. Now let's add a supplies product. I'm going to the supplies category at the top, and I'll choose dental plastic wedge. I'll pick the quantity I need and click Add to Cart. Now that both items are in the cart, I'm clicking on Checkout, or you can also click the cart icon at the top of the page. Here we are in the cart. You'll notice for the prosthesis item, there's a warning that says Pending Order Details. It also gives us a button to fill in the details. I'll go ahead and click on that. Now, we're on the order detail form. This is where we fill out both doctor and patient details. First, I'll select a return date and time. Then I'll choose a patient from the list. All previously added patients will show up here. Once I select a patient, things like age and gender will fill in automatically. I'm selecting Sam Wick as the patient, and you'll see their age and gender are already filled in. Now I'll complete the required fields, things like occlusal staining, embrasure, occlusal contact, proximal contact, pontic design, coping type, and a few others. If there are any special instructions, you can enter those here too. Next, I'll select the shade type, and then move on to filling in the tooth information. For your convenience, there's a tooth image right here on the screen to help guide you. Now it's time to upload the STL file of the dental scan. You can upload one or multiple files, depending on your case. I'm uploading a sample tooth STL file here. Also, don't forget to upload the color shade image. Once everything is filled in, I'm clicking Submit. You'll see a message saying Patient Details Saved Successfully. Nice. And don't worry, your patient's details remain completely confidential. Only the name is shared with the lab, just for billing purposes. Now the warning is gone, and the button now says Edit Order Details instead of Fill Order Details. That means we're good to go. Let's click Continue to Checkout. On the checkout page, you'll see your order summary on the right, and on the left is the shipping information section. I'm going to choose my clinic address from the list here. If you haven't added one yet, you can click Add New Address to fill in the details and save it instantly. You can also edit your address by clicking the Edit button right here. Below that, there's an option to use the same address for billing. Just check this box if that's what you want. If not, you can add a separate billing address and mark it as such. Once the address is done, I'll select the shipping method. Usually, it's selected automatically. Now click Continue to Payment Method. Here we have a few payment options: PayPal, Stripe, or cash on delivery. Let's first check out PayPal. I'm selecting it, checking the terms and conditions, and clicking Continue to Payment. Now I can either log into PayPal to complete the payment or choose the credit debit card option and enter my card details directly. Now let's look at Stripe. After selecting Stripe, I'll enter my name, email, card number, expiry, and CVV. I'm entering demo details here just for this walkthrough. You can also choose cash on delivery if you prefer to pay at the time of delivery. Just check the box and place the order. Once the order is placed, you'll be redirected to the order details page. Here, you'll see all the key information: order status, payment status, shipping and billing addresses. For the prosthesis product, you'll see an extra button that says See Order Details. Click on that to review all the patient information you submitted. And here's the best part. There's a built-in STL viewer. You can view the 3D model of the uploaded file right here. You can even download it individually or download all files together as a zip. There's also a print button so you can print the full order details for your records. Now let's go back to the dashboard. You'll see your order count is updated along with total order amount, cashback earned, and your wallet balance. Oh, and by the way, this platform gives you cash back on every order. Usually it's 10% or whatever is running at the time. That cash back gets added to your wallet and you can use it for your future purchases. Pretty cool, right? Let's finish up by viewing the invoice. Head to the Orders section on the left menu. You'll see the latest order right here. Click on Details, and on the top right, you'll see View Invoice. Click on it, and there you have it. The invoice includes invoice number, client and business details, shipping and billing info, patient details visible only to you, product summary, seller name, payment summary, cashback info. There's also a print button if you want to print or share this invoice. And that's it. You've successfully placed an order for both a prosthesis and a supplies product, filled all the necessary details, and learned how to view and manage your order. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out our next video, where we'll show you exactly how to track your orders and request a refund if needed.